Welcome to the last video in the course. At the beginning of the course, one of the things I promised that I would explain is how you can learn all of the other constellations. And what you're going to do to learn the rest of the constellations is you're going to add them one by one to your seasons. Let me show you a quick example. I might give you a second to orient yourself, and you now realize that we're looking at the winter because we have Orion and the twins and Big Dog. And now, if I'd ask you to look beneath Orion's feet, but in line with Big Dog, you're probably looking over here. And now I'm going to tell you that that is where we find the constellation Rabbit. So you might think that maybe Big Dog is chasing the rabbit while they are on the hunting trip. And just like that, we've just added another constellation to your winter story. Let me show you another way of how to do it. Give you a second, and now you realize that again, we are looking at the set of constellations in the winter. And now we're going to add the fall constellations. Remember, the constellations are moving this way across the sky over the course of the year, clockwise, like 2 hours every month. And the winter comes after the fall. And so this is how they are kind of in the sky. And now, let's say you are looking for the constellation Perseus. Well, Perseus is in between Charioteer and Andromeda, right over here. Now, I'm not going to put in what the stars look like right now. That's not very important. What I want you to get out of this is a method that you can add other stars into your conceptual buckets that we have been building. If you understand the geography, you can add to it. Now here is a summer example. If you are looking for the constellation Hercules, if you can find Cygnus and Lyra in the sky, Hercules is just right next door over here. And that's it. That's all you have to do. So let's review of all the things that you've covered in the course so far. We've gone over these 4 star stories, and you have learned a bunch of constellations and stars. We've also gone over the zodiac, and you understand how that works and how that moves over the course of the year. And the last thing that we covered was also how the moon and the sun work. And if the sky is clear, you can see the moon sometimes if you can't see the other stars. So altogether, there's quite a lot that you've gone through, and I hope you've learned quite a bit. And the last thing we showed you very briefly is a way of adding to your knowledge by using these star stories as a base and then adding other constellations one at a time so that you can understand and remember all of the constellations that are out there. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed taking this course as much as I have enjoyed teaching it, and I wish you clear and dark skies. Take care.